Have you ever wondered why our waterways turn brown after a heavy downpour? Well, the culprit is silty water, a murky mix created when rainwater runoff blends with exposed earth materials and soil, especially at construction sites. This silt, washed down from open earth surfaces and construction areas, can cause significant environmental problems if not managed properly. That's where earth control measures, or ECMs, come into play. These are procedures that contractors are required to implement at construction sites to contain and treat this silty water before it's discharged into our public drains. The Public Utilities Board, or PUB, takes this quite seriously. Every year, they take action against those contractors who fail to comply with such requirements. So it's not just about doing the right thing environmentally, but also about adhering to the law. As we can see, earth control measures are not just a good practice, but a legal requirement. Now that we understand the importance of earth control measures, let's delve into what they entail. The first step is to ensure water quality parameters are met. This means that the discharge from any construction site should not contain total suspended solids in concentrations that exceed regulated limits. Specifications for these measures should be included in tender documents, factoring in the cost of implementing such measures. Before any earthwork can begin, a written permission or clearance certificate must be obtained from the board. This is where the detailed ECM proposal comes into play. The proposal should be endorsed by a qualified erosion control professional, or QECP, and submitted to the board for approval. The design of the ECM should be robust enough to cope with a storm of a 5-year return period. Once installed, the ECM must again be approved by the QECP before earthwork and construction can commence. Remember, planning and preparation are key to effective earth control measures. Let's dive into what makes an earth control measure effective. An effective ECM consists of two crucial components: erosion control measures and silty water management. Erosion control measures aim to minimize the extent and duration of exposed, bare, or erodible surfaces. This can be achieved through proper work sequencing. This means staging construction in such a way that large, bare, or erodible surfaces aren't exposed for long periods. Covering up all bare or erodible surfaces is another key factor. This can be done with concrete lining, erosion control blankets, or other suitable materials. Work areas should also be covered with canvas sheets or other suitable materials during rain or before work stops every day. By minimizing the bare, erodible surfaces, we can significantly reduce the volume of silty water to be contained and treated. Remember, for areas that have been paved or covered, the clean surface runoff can be channeled directly into the drains. In conclusion, effective earth control measures are essential to prevent silty water discharge from construction sites, protecting our environment and waterways.